is up, guys? It is Lifted, and in today's video we got some prismatic evolutions finally. And the last time I've showcased anything prismatic evolutions, it was just some stuff I got from a live break, and I never actually got to open the packs myself. So let's have a crack at it, and maybe we can get something good. So yeah, surprise boxes come with a promo card. That's actually pretty cool. It's one of the Evolution EXs from the set, but it has a nice little stamp on the side. How's this? Oh, like this? Oh, okay. And maybe a nice little storage box. Maybe this is what I'll bring a bunch of singles in or something at trade night or an event. But neato little dividers. I'm sure you've all seen this a million times. And for the promo card, can we get we want the Umbreon promo. I think the Umbreon promo is like $70, which is about the price of the surprise box at not retail, but market price. So yeah, we got 4 packs, and let's see how this goes. So I'm not sure if the English side of things is weighable, but we can test it out for you guys here. Probably just going to open all 4 packs either way, but yeah, let's see if there's any science to maybe the God pack. Maybe if there is a God pack, maybe it's super heavy. We don't know. I'm sure that would be an easy way to indicate that. So I'm going to go heaviest left to right. Okay, interesting. And interesting. Was the other one 22 also? Okay, so that's the lightest. Okay, so the first pack was the heaviest. Interesting. All right, let's have a crack at it and start with the heaviest pack. And if the heaviest pack doesn't have anything in it, then there you go. Usually the English side does a pretty good job counterbalancing the heavy packs and all that, so you don't know right away. But I've seen people going as crazy as using a metal detector for seeing if there's a hollow or something in the pack. So there are ways. And if we get the Umbreon, that would be insane. We've already pulled it in Japanese, so I think it's time to get it in English. Okay, we got a Pokeball Execute. We got some junk. And behind it, Vaporeon Hollow. And behind that, nothing. Okay, well, we'll give you guys the code cards. There you go. Interesting. So, did it think that the Pokeball reverse is a full art? Is that why it was heavier? Who knows? Let's take another crack at it. And then, Joey, do you want to open the last 2 packs? All right. All right. It's been a minute since we've opened packs. It'll be nice to bring some more variety to the channel. We've done a couple recent unboxings that were pretty successful. A few more projects in the wraps, or what's the phrase? I don't know. In the works. I think that's what I meant to say. All right. Got Carmen. We got Professor whatever's Vitality. We got Miltank. Miltank's cool. Reverse Vaporeon. Hollow Jolteon. Huh. I feel like I'm missing a card. Wasn't there like 2 hollows in the last pack? I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, yeah, I see why people get pretty triggered by Prismatic. That's pretty rough. So 2 packs, literally nothing but a Pokeball. And get that glizzy out of here. Mama's got packs to crack.
He wants to be involved too.
All right, get over there.
Cat. All right. in the hot seat again. So.
All right, Goku. Let him bless your pack.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes. Look at those
Yes.
beautiful paws.
Oh yes.
Oh, thank you.
That's
Thank you.
the good pack.
Okay. Here goes nothing. It's been a minute.
Wow, what's she doing? Wow.
Wow. Sniff to feel included. I just let the kitty cat sniff everything.
Well, Goku will give Umbreon vibes.
What am I doing again? Just
flip it over and go for it. Hopefully you can get something because I didn't get shit.
your friend.
All right. Pupitar, execute, and an Espeon Hollow. That is horrific.
All right, code card.
And last pack magic. Will we get anything at all out of this box? That might have been like worst case scenario if we only get one execute Pokeball.
God, what is that cat
Hey,
doing?
get out of there. He's like, I want to see.
Oh,
What's Mama gonna pull?
included.
Oh, you got something. Take it easy now. The lightest pack containing the hit. Wow, what a curveball.
A prime catcher,
the
prime
trainer
snatcher.
thing. And a Flareon EX, of course. That's the one we pulled from our break also. But, I mean, at least one pack had something in it, but still pretty trash overall. I mean, I'm not even going to give you a highlight because there's not a whole lot there other than, like, the promo. The promo is literally the best card we got there, so... Yeah, we'll be opening another one for next week, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today. A short and sweet video and straight to the point. So yeah, hopefully we'll be cracking more packs soon. Ideally, we'd like to open more than just 4 packs in a video, but you know, we're kind of spacing it out. But anyway, it's been lifted and
Jojo and Mr. Meow Meow.
And we'll catch you next time. And we out of here. Peace.